Well, hi there. Are you good or are you bad?
Bad.
Harvey, what's that?
Hear that? Our Subaru Outback lets us see the world. Sometimes in ways we never imagined.
Are you done?
So he does it on the other side.
Joe Biden was just 29. He became one of the youngest people ever elected to the U.S. Senate. He remained a member of the federal government for 44 years strong. Now at age 73, Biden.
Mommy. ¿Qué hoy? Happy.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the
Everybody
procedure,
stay calm.
everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm.
Wait.
Everybody.
Good boy!
That's really weird. Oh. God.
Check. Is there a cat under this rug? Let me check. Is there a cat under this rug? I will check if there's a cat. Let me check if there's a cat under this rug.
Excuse me, miss. Excuse me. Hey, excuse me. Can you stop being so cute?
You just gonna take that, buddy? Huh? You just
Do you love your blankie? You do? Do you want to see me? Peekaboo.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it. Gentle.
Oh my God, I want to take him home. We can put him in the truck.
We could put him in the truck.
We can put him in the truck. Look at him.
Baby. I think
He doesn't have a clue what's going on.
Michael, you poor sweet thing. You don't have a thought behind those eyes, do you?
My cat's meow is so high-pitched, so I always make fun of him for it until now.
Whoa! Damn! I don't know what the hell you feed him, but he is too damn big! Bro, you literally can't beat me. I've been wrestling for 5 years. You've literally got nothing on me. Watch this shit. Watch this shit. Single leg takedown. Ooh. On your back. 1, 2, 3. I win. I win. You're so bad. You're so bad.
Napkins and corners of newspaper.
Hi.
Lulu. Oh. Poor kitty.
Do we need shoes for this?
Yes. Throw it up in the air. He'll jump for it.
Look at the fine garbage mess. What do we have here? The culprit. Are you in the garbage, Gus? Hmm?
Yay, Nelly.
I'm good.
Nothing is stealing food on your phone.
Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Okay. You gotta put his tonsils on the glass.
You see, guys?
She got one. Get the ball, Xena. Where's the ball? She keeps thinking the ball is there. She sees the reflection. She sees it in the mirror. Get the ball, Xena. Where is it? Get the ball.
You just keep coming back for more, though, don't you?
Here's all this good food right here. Let me hear it. Beethoven's Fifth. Not bad, not bad. I like that. Beautiful! Yay!
You wanna go outside? All right, go ahead. Go outside. Go pee-pee. Go ahead. Go to the bathroom. Can you go out? Go ahead.
Our cat is giving the dog a massage.
Daisy, look at me. Did you eat this? No? Daisy, did you eat this? Did you eat that? No? Did you pull this off? Huh? Did you pull this off the wall? No shame.